It was a true baptism of fire.
Your truck breaks down on a rural highway at midnight. The phone is dead, and whatever is out there is not waiting for you to run to the nearest gun store and get a pump action. What's sitting in your cab right now is all you have. The right guns give you firepower, reach, and portability, and the wrong ones just look expensive and are dead weight when things go sideways. This list covers the best options available right now, ranked from top-tier choices to solid budget alternatives. Kel-Tec Sub-2000 Gen 3.
Twist the forend until a side slot on the leading end snaps into the retention latch on the buttstock.
If there is one gun designed from the ground up to live in a truck, it is the Sub-2000. A truck is its natural habitat. This concept is a 9mm rifle that literally folds in half. When folded, it measures just 16 inches, shorter than most laptop bags nowadays. When unfolded, you have a rifle with a full 16-inch barrel, a proper stock, a real trigger, and a side-charging handle you can actually use. The whole setup process takes under 3 seconds. The Gen 3 version fixed everything people complained about in the older models. The biggest upgrade is the optic mount. Previous Sub-2000 models required folding the gun to the side, which made mounting a permanent red dot nearly impossible without a pivoting mount. Now, the optic mount rotates out of the way or stays in place so the gun folds cleanly. This alone was worth the entry price. It runs on Glock 17 magazines, which hold 17 rounds standard, or up to 33 with an extended stick or drum. In a truck scenario, ammo compatibility is a massive practical advantage. A 1-caliber, 1-magazine system ensures no confusion under stress. It comes in at just under £5, and the overall pricing is around $500, making it the most capable dollar-for-dollar product on the list. If you are enjoying this breakdown and want more videos like these, subscribe right now. We cover firearms the way they should be covered: straight, simple, and useful. While the Sub-2000 is a fantastic standard, if you want something a bit more classic and traditional, this next gun will fit the bill perfectly. Ruger PC Carbine Takedown. Ruger is synonymous with reliability in the American firearms industry. The PC Carbine exemplifies this reputation within a vehicle defense context. Its standout feature is the takedown design, which consists of 2 halves that separate with a quick twist and pull. The barrel and receiver can be stored discreetly in an included bag resembling a gym bag, which is comfortable to carry. Assembly takes about 10 seconds, resulting in a rifle with a full 16-inch barrel and a stable stock, ready for shooting. It operates in 9mm and can feed from Glock or Ruger magazines, depending on the mag-well adapter installed. The barrel is also threaded from the factory for suppressors or muzzle devices. The trigger is clean and consistent, especially by carbine standards. What sets the PC Carbine apart is its overall feel. It shoots like a traditional rifle, with a comfortable stock and familiar controls for anyone who has handled a classic long gun. The weight distribution feels natural. For shooters seeking a reliable truck gun, this model costs around $700. While not cheap, this price point offers decades of Ruger quality engineering in a package that fits behind your seat without any drama. While the first 2 guns we covered run on 9mm pistol rounds, the next one scales up the power significantly. Springfield Saint Victor Pistol.
Travel easily. They can go in a bag easily, they can go in a truck.
There are situations where pistol calibers simply do not have enough reach or stopping power for serious threats. Maybe the threat is stalking you from the woodline. The Saint Victor pistol fires the 5.56 NATO round, the same as a standard AR-15. This cartridge dramatically increases both range and terminal performance compared to 9mm guns. You can engage targets accurately up to 200 yards, hitting harder at every distance possible. The term pistol in the name refers to its legal classification. It has a shorter barrel, features a stabilizing brace instead of a traditional stock, and is compact enough to store without special modifications in your vehicle. With a 7.5-inch barrel length, the Saint Victor pistol is incredibly loud and produces a significant muzzle blast, but it delivers massive defensive capability. The gas operating system cycles reliably across a variety of ammunition, including steel case budget rounds and defensive hollow points. Controls are identical to a standard AR-15. If you've ever fired an AR at any point in your life, you already know how this gun works. However, It does cost around $1,100, which positions it toward the higher end of the list. Mossberg 5.9 Shockwave.
To tell you the truth. Or a 2-liter.
Shotguns absolutely belong on this list, and no list of compact shotguns is complete without the Mossberg 5.9 Shockwave. The problem with traditional shotguns in a truck context is their length. A full-size shotgun is difficult to store, difficult to maneuver in tight spaces, and almost impossible to deploy out of a vehicle window in an emergency. Mossberg solved this problem with the Shockwave. This firearm has a 14-inch barrel and an overall length of just 26 inches. This keeps it classified as a non-NFA firearm rather than a short-barreled shotgun, meaning no special federal registration, tax stamp, or extra paperwork is required at the federal level. The bird's head grip is its most distinguishing feature. Instead of a conventional pistol grip or full stock, the Shockwave uses a uniquely curved grip that allows you to manage recoil smoothly during the pumping motion, dramatically improving control over standard pistol grip-only configurations. 5 rounds of 12-gauge loads fit in the tube, and the pump cycles smoothly and reliably. In a vehicle-related defensive scenario where distances are short and threats are close, 5 rounds of 12-gauge buckshot or slugs provide a devastating amount of power. The price of this shotgun sits right around $500. We are halfway through the list, and the guns are only going to get more interesting. Next, we're going to talk about an absolute behemoth of a gun with unreal capacity, as well as options that provide the most value for just a fraction of a premium gun's price. So subscribe before you watch any further so you never miss a breakdown. Henry AR-7 Survival Rifle. This one is for the viewer who wants the absolute minimum footprint. The Henry AR-7 is a .22 LR semi-automatic rifle that disassembles into 3 main pieces: the barrel, the action, and the magazines. All of these components store completely inside the hollow, impact-resistant stock itself. The entire self-contained package is just 16.5 inches long and weighs around 3.5 pounds. This is smaller and lighter than most standard laptops. In a truck context, the AR-7 stores in places that no other firearm on this list could ever reach: under a seat, in a tool bag, or tucked into a storage compartment. The trade-off here is the caliber. The .22 LR round is not a defensive powerhouse. However, it is an excellent small-game hunting round that will put food on the table if you are stranded or lost in a wilderness situation. This is a practical survival scenario that most people never consider. 8-round magazines are included, and the entire assembly actually floats in water when packed away. This rifle was originally designed as a survival tool for military pilots, and that rugged pedigree shows. The price is just around $350, making it a great value. PSA AKV.
Oh my God! This thing fires at crackhead speed.
Let's talk about the Palmetto State Armory AKV, because this one is genuinely impressive. It is a 9mm carbine-style pistol built on the legendary AK platform, utilizing a direct blowback operation. When it comes to putting a gun into a truck, this specific combination is excellent. The AK platform is famous for working in conditions that would cause other firearms to fail. Dirt, moisture, and lack of maintenance are rarely issues for robust AK designs, and the AKV carries that reputation forward in a compact 9mm package. It features a 10.5-inch barrel that provides optimized velocity compared to a standard handgun. The Picatinny rail on the top dust cover is a massive upgrade, allowing you to mount a red dot directly without any proprietary mounts. This gun is compatible with CZ Scorpion-style magazines, which are widely available and highly affordable. PSA also manufactures its own proprietary magazines that feature heavy-duty steel feed lips for excellent durability and retention. The extended safety lever is ideal for quick positive engagement under stress. The paddle magazine release on this gun is also significantly faster to operate than standard AK configurations. For a vehicle context, these features add up to a highly reliable rapid deployment setup that costs around $800. Smith & Wesson M and PFPC 10mm.
Beefier to handle that 10 mil, but surprisingly shooting this was not much more recoil than the 9mm.
The M and PFPC is Smith & Wesson's answer to the folding pistol caliber carbine category, and their hard-hitting 10mm auto version deserves special attention. The 10mm cartridge sits perfectly between standard 9mm and rifle calibers in terms of energy. Out of the FPC's 16.25-inch barrel, the 10mm delivers incredible velocity, giving you near-rifle performance from a platform that uses pistol-sized ammunition. Here's what makes this gun unique. The folding mechanism operates horizontally rather than vertically. This matters immensely for storage orientation in a vehicle. The folded package fits perfectly across the back of most bench seats or inside a slim bag without eating into passenger legroom. Controls are completely ambidextrous, so whether you are shooting dominant-handed from a tight space inside a vehicle or managing an injury, the bolt release, magazine release, and charging handle remain easy to reach. The MSRP on this model is around $699, offering a fantastic return on investment when you factor in its portability and firepower. Kel-Tec KSG. Most traditional pump shotguns give you 6 or 7 rounds before running empty. The KSG gives you 14. It achieves this by using 2 parallel magazine tubes running underneath the barrel. Each tube holds 7 rounds of standard 2.75-inch shells. With a simple manual selector switch, you can instantly toggle from one tube to the other mid-fight, keeping 14 rounds of 12-gauge power on tap. The overall length is an incredibly compact 26.1 inches, despite featuring a full-length 18.5-inch barrel. This is achieved via a bullpup design, where the action and firing mechanisms sit behind the trigger rather than in front of it. For truck storage, this gives you maximum velocity and stopping power in a package short enough to maneuver inside a cab. It retails for around $900, giving you unmatched capacity in a tight footprint. But you know what an even bigger advantage is? Subscribing to our channel right now, as our next breakdown will pack even more practical value for you. See you in the next one.